Hello, fourth grade. I'm going to show you a slightly different way in example 2 of how we can find the area of a combined rectangle. So our first step is going to be the same, to draw a line to create two rectangles. So now, again, we're going to find the area of rectangle 1 and the area of rectangle 2, and then we will add them together. In example 1, we found them together in a formula, adding them together. We did it all in one step. Here in example 2, we're going to find them separately, then add them together at the end. Now, as we know, area equals length times width when we are talking about a triangle. Talking about a rectangle. So here we have rectangle 1. This could be rectangle 1. This could be either way. Just label them 1. I'm going to choose to call this rectangle 1. So my length is 5 and my width is 9. So I will fill it into the formula. Area equals my length is 5 times my width, which is 9. And my area will equal 45 square inches. Remember, when finding area, we are also multiplying our units, and your units will be squared. Now, in example 1, I did this all together for both of them. Here in example 2, we're going to do it separately. So we know right here we have the area of rectangle 1. I will now find the area for rectangle 2. We can see here that our length will be 6 in rectangle 2, and our width will be 3. So I will fill that into the formula. 6 times 3. So my area will equal 18. And remember, square inches, because we are talking about the area. We multiplied together our units. Now that we found the area of each one, we can add them together. So I will add 45 square inches plus 18 square inches. When I add together 45 square inches plus 18 square inches, I will find an answer of 63 square inches. Now notice, when we add units, we don't square them again. They just stay squared when you multiply. Your units, when you multiply, become squared. When you add, they stay the same. So if we were adding inches and inches, they would still stay as inches. So when we add square inches and square inches, they stay as square inches. So I know that my area equals 63 square inches. A little bit different than we did it the first way. In the first example, we just solved them. Let me actually go back to it. In the first example, we solved them in one formula where we actually just put them together and added them. Here in our second example, we solved them separately and then added them together at the end. You will find the same answer both ways. This way is a good way to do it because you do it all in one step. But if you're more comfortable doing it this way, you can also find them individually. Just you need to remember you have to add them together at the end.